Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I just sailed the beautiful Carnival Venezia, awesome cruise. It left from New York City and it went to Canada. Today I'm going to share with you my day at Halifax, Nova Scotia. The cruise ships, including the Carnival one that I was on, have a lot of excursions that you could sign up for, but we kind of just wanted to wing it. So there's my husband, Kelly. He's going to be joining me today. We're just going to pretty much walk off the boat, and I'm going to show you what's around there. So if you're really not up for like the excursion and the adventure and spending the extra money, I personally don't like to be tied down to anything. I kind of like to do things at my own pace. We got a late start and came back a little early to avoid the crowds. Don't forget your room key and your passport. You're going to need them to get back on the boat. I gotta say, Halifax was much better than I thought it was going to be. Even just getting right off the boat, right away, there was like so many vendors. We're going to see more of that on the way back. Right now, we're going to walk out to the street. I have no idea what to expect. I honestly thought it was going to be more industrial, but it's a really cute town. I really loved it. This video is filmed August 2023. It's summertime. It's a beautiful day. It was supposed to rain. We were so lucky. We personally didn't do too much. There's a lot of bars and restaurants, but we just ate on the cruise and we're gonna go back and eat on the cruise. So we're gonna stop by a coffee shop, but mostly it's just gonna be a walk around tour. Are you going to Halifax? Do you live there? Are you going on a cruise that's going to Halifax? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to film just little short clips. I'm going to try to keep this as interesting as possible of what you could see within a couple miles of the ship. Welcome to Halifax, Nova Scotia. It's time to go back to the ship. I didn't do too much voiceover for this because I just thought it was a pretty video, and honestly, I don't know too much about it, and I wasn't really prepared to even pretend I do. So I'm just going to leave some information in the description below if you want to know more about this area that you just viewed. Walking back to the ship, you're going to find some vendors, really cool merchandise, really cool town. I really was impressed with Halifax. You need to show your passport over here, and also to get on the Carnival ship, you need to have your room key. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be leaving more videos about the Carnival Venezia when I finish them right here in the playlist. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Be well to yourself. Always be kind to others, and safe travels to you.